Our project is Python Combat. It's like building a Python website where students, like users, can learn Python in a gamified manner.
It has several chapters well supported with instructions and tutorials. We start by introducing the learner to basic actions that the character can perform, like moving up, moving left, moving right, etc. In this chapter, the learner is required to program the character to move towards the toggle switch so as to open the bridge and ultimately reach the destination. In Finding and Fixing Bugs chapter, an incorrect code snippet is provided that leads the character to a dead end. The learner is supposed to debug and correct the code in order to make the character reach the treasure box shown in here. In Finding Shortest Path, the learner has to choose the shortest path between the two. If the shortest path is chosen, then a success message is displayed. In case the user opts for a longer path, an error message is thrown. Project also includes resources and chapters on loops. There are 4 tunnel locations provided in the arena through which the character travels to reach the final destination, and it all uses loops. The next chapter focuses on conditional statements like switches, if-else, and also a mixture of loops and conditional statements. It also introduces logical operators like AND, NOT, and OR. Each operator is taught using a different arena configuration. This is using AND, this is using NOT, and this is using OR operator. The next chapter is dedicated to variables, wherein the character is required to collect a specified amount of points, and number of points collected is reflected on the arena itself. In bumping up the values, it will again display the number of total coins collected by the character. In the Gems and Coins chapter, the character is supposed to collect exactly 3 gems and 2 coins. If the character collects more coins or more gems, then an error message is thrown. Similarly, if the character collects less number of coins and gems, the error message is thrown. Success message is only shown when the exact number of gems and coins are collected. Platform validates the number of coins to provide a correct result, whether success or failure. The chapter of Function teaches the learner to write functions that can toggle the switch and collect the coins. In the chapter, the character is programmed to navigate the arena in left-right manner so as to collect all baskets and complete its goal. The functions are parameterized, and these parameters include the number of gems to be collected, the number of steps to proceed with, etc.
We have big error like how to convert the Python code into JavaScript. Then Meta helped us how to convert that. Using Python, we can convert all Python code into JavaScript, and we can evaluate how to create animations, move, and all.
While we are in the middle of the designing of area, the idea was changed actually. Like that, we were able to update those things dynamically depending on the situation of the arenas. Like depending on the syllabus, the chapters, the code and all, we use it to dynamically change the arenas.
Before designing the web interface, we should work on Figma so that we get clear idea on work. Because when we work on to direct HTML, we cannot get correct colors and the correct positions of it. So that we should design the whole interface in Figma, and then we move into the HTML CSS part.
Like whatever designing we are doing, we should either draw it, or in Figma, whatever we are comfortable, we have to first sketch it out and then implement. Or else once we directly implement, then we need to make lot of changes, because we just go on doing and there will be many errors and it won't look good. e-Yantra is the best experience you can ever get.
e-Yantra is not only about learning technologies and these tech stacks, it is also about learning life management and time management. You will be working under tight deadlines where you have to hold a lot of pressures. During the time, if you have a deadline and you have a lot of work, we need to prioritize each work, and then this e-Yantra helps us to unlock your potential, to analyze the problems you have in front of us, and then we can rank them and then we will solve. It's one of the best ways to explore your mindset, your powers and all. It is like an unlocking key for increasing your mind's potential actually.